Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's tishonakeyanna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two different styles I did on an old wash and go, so just keep watching. So to style my edges, I'm going to be using Eco Style gel, the Argan Oil kind, and I'm going to be using this pink edge control brush to style them. And also, I created a virtual storefront on Amazon.com that has all my recommended products and my favorite products that I use on my hair and my skin. And all you have to do is click the link, and basically you can purchase all my favorite products straight from that site. So I'm going to link this Argan Oil Eco Style gel and my pink edge control brush in the description box below. And here I'm just using a cotton t-shirt to squeeze out the excess product from that strand of hair. And also this works well if you do a wash and go and your hair is too wet or has too much product. All you have to do is take a cotton t-shirt and squeeze that excess product out. So these were two of the styles that you can do on old wash and go hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.